I never thought that I would have my own slushie machine. As someone who usually goes on late night drives to Taco Bell for a Baja Blast Freeze, I can now make that same exact treat in the comfort of my own home. Meet the Vibofrost Slushie Machine, a 9-in-1 frozen drink maker that can create restaurant quality margaritas, milkshakes, frappes, and of course slushies, all at a push of a button. Today, we're going to be checking it out in a review and test out some of its features to see just how good it really is. How about we start things off with an unboxing to see what's provided. Inside the box, you find the Vibofrost Slushie Machine itself, well packaged and protected with foam to keep it secure during shipping. Along with that, you get a removable 88-ounce container and a dispensing lever system already attached. As a reference, you'll be provided with a quick start guide for everything you need to know about the machine, including nearly 30 recipe ideas to get you started. The setup is quick with everything essentially ready to go right out of the box. All you really need to do is rinse the container, plug the unit in, and you're ready to start making drinks. Before we start operating the machine, let's take a first-hand look at its design. The Vibofrost Slushie Machine has a sleek space gray finish that feels modern and premium enough to sit on any kitchen counter. It's roughly the size of a large coffee maker, standing about 16 inches tall and weighing around 22 pounds, so it does have some heft to it, but it's still manageable to move around when needed. On the front side, you find a clear 88-ounce container with measurement markings, making it easy to keep track of fill levels. The dispensing lever is built into the front for smooth pours, while the transparent tank lets you see the slush forming in real time, which is exciting to watch. The control panel sits on the lower right, featuring touch-sensitive buttons and digital displays for modes, timers, and cooling progress. Around the sides, you'll notice the dual air vents, which is designed to prevent overheating during long use. Overall, it has a solid build that doesn't take up too much space, yet offers plenty of capacity to handle parties, family nights, or casual get-togethers. Trust me on this one, when you have visitors, everyone will be intrigued about this machine. What makes the Vibofrost stands out though is the EvenChill Technology. Instead of relying on adding ice, the machine uses as a quote, a progressive extrusion auger that rotates 360 degrees around a cooling cylinder. This means that every batch that comes out will be consistently smooth without those annoying ice chunks that you normally get from a blender. It also features a 9-in-1 drink maker, so you are not limited to just slushies here. With its presets and adjustable modes, you can whip up margaritas, frappes, cocktails, milkshakes, soda slushes, and even more. The top fill design makes it super simple to add in ingredients, and the smart display lets you choose between thickness levels or just swap to a custom setting if you want full control. So depending on what you're making here, slushie times can range between 15 minutes for smaller serving sizes to around an hour for a full tank. Where this machine really shines is just how simple it is to operate. The smart display and one-touch controls makes it effortless to start a batch. You basically just pour in your ingredients, pick a preset, and just let the machine handle the rest. Cleanup is usually the least fun part about making drinks, but Vibofrost thought of that too. With the auto clean cycle, all you need to do is just add in water, press a button, and the machine flushes itself out. The container is also fully removable, so rinsing it afterwards is quick and painless. It's also surprisingly quiet for a machine of this size. Even while freezing a large batch, the sound is pretty subtle with a gentle hum, rather than an overpowering sound like a blender. And because it's built with a durable shell and dual side vents to prevent overheating, it's designed to last and keep running smoothly for years. Now for the part that you've all been waiting for. Let's put the machine to the test and see how it handles making some drinks. First up, of course, is my all-time favorite, the Baja Blast Freeze from Taco Bell. Normally this is what I end up driving to Taco Bell for late at night, but here I just pour it out straight from a 2-liter bottle into the tank. And about 20 minutes later, it came out with that same icy, smooth texture that you expect from the restaurant. There's no ice chunks, just a perfectly blended slushie. Honestly, this alone makes the machine worth it for me, and the taste and experience is the same as I would get it from Taco Bell itself. Next up, we have the classic Coke Slushie that you would get from 7-Eleven. Using 2 cans of Coca-Cola, all I have to do is simply pour it in and let the machine do all the work. Same as before, the process is done within 20 minutes and it is ready to serve. Lastly, a slushie I typically get when I go to the movie theaters, the Icee Blue Raspberry Freeze. I'm not too familiar with how it's made, but I purchased a powder mix from Amazon, then I mixed it with water and sugar and poured it in. This one's a little bit more tricky because you have to add the correct amount of sugars to balance it out, so it took some trial and errors to get it right. Overall, I was able to create what I wanted, and this is something that I can see myself making more often. All in all, the Vibofrost Slushie Machine has been a game changer for me. It's simple to use, quick to clean, and consistently delivers smooth restaurant quality slushies right at home. Whether you're making something fun for the family, mixing up cocktails for the party, or even recreating your favorite late night drinks at home, this machine gets it all done without the hassle. That will wrap up my review of the Vibofrost Slushie Machine. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you consider picking one up, then you can check the link below for the current pricing and discounts in the video's description. Thank you as always for watching and supporting the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more reviews of cool tech and home gadgets. And until next time, take care.